Okay, in previous video we have done till question number 6. Now we are starting from question number 7. In question number 7, they are saying the diagram shows a sector of a circle with center O and radius R. This is the center of the circle and this is the radius R. They are saying the shaded region is bounded by the chord AB and the arc of AB. So this is our arc. The size of the angle AOB is 2 upon 3 pi radians. So this is the angle AOB. Okay. So when we have radian, our calculator must also be in radians. Radian. Okay. In part A, they are saying show that the area of shaded region is approximately 0.614 r square centimeter. Okay. In this part A, we have to show the area of shaded region into this one. So first of all, we will write shaded area is equals to area of sector minus area of triangle. The area of sector formula is 1 upon 2 r squared theta minus 1 upon 2 AB sin c. This is the formula of area of triangle. This formula is only applied when there is not 90 degree. This is area of triangle OAB. Okay. Now 1 upon 2 r square theta. What we will take the theta? Theta will be this 2 upon 3 pi. So 2 upon 3 pi minus 1 upon 2. What is the value of A? This is A and this is B. So R and sine. In place of C, we will take 2 upon 3. Okay. 1 upon from here 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So this will be pi r square upon 3 minus 1 upon 2 r square and sine 2 pi upon 3. This will be sine 2 upon, no, sorry, 2 upon 3. This is square root of 3 over 2. Square root of 3 over 2. Okay. Now, from this, if you know that we can take r square the common, when r square will be common, pi upon 3 will be remaining bracket minus and minus square root of 3 over 4. So, when we will calculate this thing, pi upon 3 minus square root of okay, pi upon 3 minus square root of 3 over 4. The answer we got is 0.614. So that's how we have shown 0.614 and r square will be. This is how we have shown. Okay. Sure. Now, moving to part B. In part B, they are saying it is given that the radius of circle is increasing at the rate of 0.4 centimeter per second. Centimeter per second is the time. This is the time. Okay. Now they are saying they are saying find the rate of increase of the area of shaded region at instant when r is equal to 20. Give your answer to two significant figures. So first of all, what we will do, we have dr over dt, which is 0.4. How I know that this is dr over dt? Because they're saying it is given a radius of circle is increasing at a rate of 0.4. Okay, this is a circle measure question. Okay, now we have to find in question the dA over dt. Now we will make a equation like dA over dt is equals to dA over dr multiplied by dr over dt. Now we have dr over dt which is 0.4. Now we have to find dA over dr. How we will find? In previous question unit, you know that we have area of shaded region which is A is equals to 0.614 r square. Now we will differentiate in respect to time. So dA over dt, sorry, dA over dr in respect to radius. So dA over dr is equals to 0.614 multiplied by 2, and from here 2 minus 1 power 1. So this will be 1.228. If I can show in the calculator, if you multiply 0.614 multiplied by 2, this is 1.228 in R. Now we will copy this. We will write 1.228 R multiplied by 0.4. Now in question we have the value of R which is 20. So 1.228 into 20 into zero point 0.4. So what is the answer we got is, the answer we got is 1.228 bracket 20 into zero point 0.4. The answer we got is 9.2, because we have to give in two significant figures. This is our final answer, centimeter square percent. Okay, centimeter square percent. This is our final answer. Now, part B, in part B, part 2, they are saying find the rate of increase of the length of arc AB, and you have to give an answer in the two significant figures. Now, for this, we have to find? We have to find dl over dt. Okay. Now, we will make the equation again. Dl over dt is equals to dl over dr, because we have to find dl over dt, so we are making respect to l, and okay, dl over dr multiplied by dr over dt. dr over dt is given which is 0.4 in the question. Okay, now how we will find dl over dr? dl over dr can be found by, okay, I'm taking l. The formula is s equals to r theta. Okay, s equals to r theta. So s is equals to r theta, r, and when we differentiate, this will be d s over dt. I am not writing ds, I have taken dl. Okay, so that's it. Okay, yes, ds over dt, and theta is 2 upon 3 pi. So this will be, so when we differentiate, this will be 2r, sorry, 2 pi over 3 when we differentiate it. Okay, now, so in the place of ds, I am taking dl. So that's, so dl over dr, sorry, ds over dr value is 2 pi over 3 multiplied by zero point 0.4. So what is the answer? Uh, 2 pi upon 3 multiplied by zero point 0.4. The answer we got is 0.837. So it will be 0.84. 0.84 is the answer for this question. Centimeter per second. This is the answer for question number 7. In question number 8, They are saying the diagram shows the curve with equation y is equals to 1 upon 2 square root of x and the point P with coordinates. The shaded region is bounded by the curve and the lines x equals to 0 and y equals to 3 upon 2. We have to find the area of shaded region. So first of all, you have to know that to find the area of shaded region, to find the area of shaded region, we have to know that this is find by area of rectangle minus area between the curve. The area between the curve is this thing. Yeah, yes. So this is the rectangle. Okay. Now, okay. So first of all, we will find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equals to, now this is the area of, this is the area of rectangle. So 9 into 3 upon 2. So how, from here now we can calculate the area of rectangle. So 9 into 3 upon 2. So the value is got is 27 over 2. This is our area of rectangle. Now we have to find area between the curve. So to find this, we have to know the limits, how we will apply the limits. So to apply the limits, how we will apply the limits? So first of all, here the x value is 0 and here the x value is 9. So to apply the limit, we will, the formula for, okay, area between the curves. So we will apply the limits, which is 9 and 0, and the equation is 1 upon 2 x s to power 1 upon 2. Why x s to power? Because in question they have given 1 upon 2 square root of x. They have given square root of x, so in replace of square root of x, I written x s to power 1 upon n dx. Okay. Now 1 upon 2 and x 1 up, this will be 3 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 2, and we will apply the limits, which is 9 and 0. So when we apply the limits, okay, I'm putting the limits. So 1 upon 2 and sorry, wait a minute. 1 upon 2 multiply by x value is 9 raised to power 3 upon 2 and divided by 3 upon 2. So the value we got is 9. And in this we minus. Okay. When we apply the limits of 0, it will be 0. Became 0. So 9 minus 0 is equals to 9. So to find the area of shaded region, area of shaded region. So area of triangle is 27 over 2 minus area between the curve and 9. So 27 upon 2 minus 9 will be equals to 9 upon 2. This is the answer for area of shaded region. Now moving to part B. In part B, they are saying the shaded region rotated to 360 about the y-axis. We have to find the exact volume of solid produced. So what we will do, okay. So when we have y-axis, when we have this type of question, we have to know that we have the volume formula, which is this pi x square dy, and volume is equals to pi y square dy. Okay, and this thing is rotate about x axis. Okay, this is about rotate about x axis. So, so in this question, we will use the formula which is volume is equals to pi x square and dy. We will take the pi outside and we will apply the limits. Now we will apply the limits of this 3 upon 2 and this, sorry, this y value and this x value. Okay, so the y value is 3 upon 2 and x value is 0. And so for this, so x, yes, okay. From here, we have this y is equals to 1 upon 2 square root of x. From here, we will find the x. So x will be x is equals to 2y square. So this will be this will be written in part B. So and so x equals to 4y square. So this will be written where I'm copying this wait a minute, yes, copy, it's copied. Now this will be written here in the place of x. So this will be 4y square and whole square dy. Now 4 square is 16, so I have written 16 pi, and the limits are and the limits will be added y5 over. This is the question for the integration. So integration, the limits are added. So power 5 over. Why power 5? Because 2 2s are 4. So 4, if we add 1, so it will become 5. Okay. And the limits are 3 upon 2 and 0. So 16 pi. And when we apply the limits, 3 upon 2 raised to power 5 over 5 minus 0 raised to power 5 over 5. So when we apply the limits, so 16 pi, this will be 243 over 160. So 16 pi, 16, yes, wait a minute, we have to remove the latent word. So yes, 16 pi into 243 over 160. So this will be 24.3. So in calculate they are saying 243 over 10 pi. So when I will remove the 10, so this will be 1. So 24.3 pi is our answer. So I hope how I have solved these two questions, question number 7 and 8.